Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, find the number of islands. Let's move on to the problem. Guys, in this problem we are given a grid, or we can say a matrix named as grid of size n into m, where n are the number of rows. Like here n is equal to 4, number of rows is equal to n is equal to 4, and number of column is equal to m is equal to 2 for this case. Okay, and we have to find out the number of island. Okay, the number of island on this grid. And what is number of island? Here one is represent as the part of a land, means where is one means it is a land, and where is zero means it is a water. Okay, so guys, and what is mean by island? And island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. Okay, and the connecting lands horizontally, vertically, or diagonally connecting lands will form a island. Okay, like I am showing you an example for this case here. Like I just copy out this and just wait a minute, I just make it something. Okay, so here we are finding our island, and when we are this particular block, then we search for eight direction: first, two, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. If any of these direction or all of these direction contain the part of land, then then that part will consider as the part of this island. Okay, as the part of this island. So now what is the part of this island? Like this is the part, then it is diagonally, this is also the part. Now for this part, what is the part? It is not, it cannot be, because it is beyond our limit, it is zero. It we have already checked this. Here we cannot go, here we cannot go, here we cannot go, but we can go here. So this is our part. From this we go to eight direction, and we have only one direction left. From here we can go to this direction. Okay, and by doing this, we found a island. We found a island of this. Okay, we found a island connecting in shape like this. Sorry, I am just showing you, connecting you like this. Okay, while mm, just a minute, while this is the part of water. Okay, this is the part of water. Okay, so this is a single island, we can say. Okay, this all is a part of single island. This all is a part of single island. Okay, so I hope you all understand it. What we all mean by a island. Okay, let's try to delete it. Yes, yeah. So now we are focusing on the number of island. Like here, what is the number of island? These three, these three, and these two form a single island, and this one, because it is not connected to any other island, it will make its own different island. So the total number of island is equal to two. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to the problem. So this is the given function to us. This is a DFS, depth first search graph problem. Okay, so here we are given the vector v means the vector grid. Okay, so we take the C is the number of island. And initially we have zero number of island, and we check for each index. Like for I is equal to 0 to I as then v dot psi, and j as then v 0 dot psi. And if our v I and j is equal to 1, means it is a piece of a land, then it will contribute to some island. And we increment our c because we found a new island, and we call a function, I name it solve. Okay, solve v comma v means the matrix or the grid, I comma j is the index. Okay, so now in this matrix, now what we are given, uh, what we are doing. Okay, we are seeing now what we are doing. This is vector v, this is I and j. Okay, now first of all we will check our I and j should be in our limit. Okay, if our I is greater than or is equal to v dot size, or I has than 0, then it means we don't have that particular index, so we just return. Okay, means we are out of our limit. Similarly for j, if we are out of v0 dot size, means our j index is out of the number of index, or our j is less than 0, means it is negative, then we just return. Or else, while if our vi j is equal to 0, means we have already checked this part. I am telling you why I write this condition, else we will go TLE for big test cases. Okay, so here we just return, and if all three conditions are passed out, it means it is a part of land. It is part of land, then what we do, we make it a part of water. Now why water? Because we have taken the contribution of that particular island. Okay, like for this example, if I am telling you, for this example, if I tell you this is our eye, I take some other color maybe. This is our I, this is our j. Okay, now j initially at this position is equal to 0, so not work. Now j is at this is equal to 1. So what we will do, we will check for 8 direction, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th. In 8 direction we will found a array. So first of all we will make it 0. I am telling you why. So I make it 0 and check for 8 direction. Then I found this direction and this direction. Okay, so I go to this direction and make it 0 now, and I can still make call to this direction, but because I had already made call, so this call is working currently because I am doing this way recursion. Okay, so it may call to it and it will do it work. It will call to it. Now it can already can call to it, but now because we are at this call, so this will call to it and make it. Now if these both are is equal to 1, then our 1 again call to it. Okay, like if we have matrix, suppose if we have matrix like this and we are not doing this is equal to 0 condition. Okay, is equal to 0 condition we are not doing, then from this we come to this, and from this we will come to this, again from this we come to this again. So it may make a cycle and you will go TL your runtime error, I can say. Okay, so that's why if I so that's why what I am doing, I come to this, so means I have taken the part of the I have taken the contribution of this index, so I make it 0. Now I had this, I call to 8 direction, but I don't found any direction, so I just make it 0 and return the call to my function. Okay, means I have completed, so all became 0. So now our updated matrix be like 0 and 0, and our c is equal to 1, means we have we have one part of island. Okay, so this is why we are making it 0, unless we will go TLE because of the cycle. Okay, and here, okay, so this will become island, then my j come to this, my j come to this. Now okay, I have completed this. Now my I come to this is 0. But suppose if we don't make it 0 and we don't have a cycle, just suppose we don't have, we we know, but if not have, then we call to this again, call to this, then all, then it will a very huge process. Okay, it will take a time limit, and time limit goes exceed because of cycle. So that's why we make it 1 to 0, means we have taken your contribution, so please now you are not a part of land format. Okay, now my j come to this, it is equal to 0, it is equal to 0. Now it is equal to 1, I make it 0, give call to is, and my c is equal to 1 for this, and now 2 for this. So, okay, okay, my now I make it 0 and call to 8 direction, but my direction are not satisfied because I go above, I found 0, I go down, I found 0, I go left, I found 0, I go right, I my index limit got exceeded. I found top corner 0, here corner, here I don't have anything, similarly here I don't have anything, so index found, here I 0, so I cannot move, so I just return. At last I just return. Okay, I just return. So okay, so my C, and similarly I will take this, it is equal to 0, it is equal to 0, 0, 0, I make it 0, I make it 0, I make it 0, I make it 0. So after doing all the processes, all the values of your C will be equal to 0 from here to here after conquering all the matrix. Okay, from top to bottom corners, from ij is equal to 0 comma 0 to ij is equal to n minus 1 comma m minus 1, everything is equal to 0, and your C will store the answer. Okay, and so now what we are doing, we are calling for I plus 1 means to the next row, like if we have this and we have our index, suppose this is our index, suppose this is our index our. Okay, so for from this to I plus 1, now what is, this is our I, this is our I plus 1, this is our I minus 1, this is our j current index, this is our j plus 1, this is our j sorry minus 1. Okay, so from this we go to I plus 1, we go to I minus 1, we go to I minus 1, our second call, our third call to j plus 1, and fourth call to j minus 1. Okay, to j plus 1, j minus 1. Now for direction call, I'll just change my color to I plus 1, j plus 1. Okay, now I plus 1 and j plus 1, so call goes to this. Next is I plus 1 but j minus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1 but j minus 1, so call goes to this. Now I minus 1 and j plus 1 and j minus 1, I minus 1, j plus 1 to this, I minus 1, j minus 1 to this. Okay, so we have completed all the 8 direction call, 4 diagonal call, 4 vertical and horizontal call. Okay, and at last we just return 0. Okay, so this is the most important part here. Okay, these code are simple, sorry, these code are simple, this will not take so much, but this part is important, that we should do Vij is equal to 0 so that we don't get TLE because of cycle. Okay, so guys, I just submit it now, I just submit it. Okay, you can see the answer is 1, required answer, I just submit it. Now for all test cases GFG should check. So guys, you can see all the 26 test cases pass out, time limit, time taken 0. So this is just the code, just a very simple code. Okay, very simple code it is. So guys, I hope you will understand the problem I explained so well. So I hope you like it. So please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching this, guys.